my people. Now welcome to Pidgin News Network, where we dey sama na the latest news for Naija and obodo oyibo. Yans as e dey pan for we street, parable as dem with papa dem dey talk am, tori as e dey blow from the pidgin world go different corner of the world. Pata. My name na Roro Pata 20 km. The news Sabinus. Una welcome to Pidgin News Network World News. Tó bá rọ́kùnrin méjì tó ń pè bí àkànmú ọ̀rọ̀ dìhun, ọ̀rọ̀ pè sí jẹ́hun, ọ̀rọ̀ dìhun. If you see two man carry one bottle of beer dey share, na him be say katakata dey. When you see two people wey dey fight, one kill themselves, come see say another enemy come wey two of them hate and dem fear, dem go join body fight am and win. Russian President Oga Vladimir Putin say this corona wahala na to make them and America cooperate well. If dem cooperate, dem go finish am and win am. America don get donation from Russia and dem don promise say dem go give Russia ventilators. Oga Vladimir Putin say dem dey wait, dem go collect am. China talk say the stoppage, the jam blocker of fund by America to WHO, World Health Organization, na destruction for this corona era. So dem don carry themselves to say they go give World Health Organization $20 million. The International Criminal Police Organization say dem don catch 1.5 million euro wuru face mask business wey people wan do for online, and the thing involve Germany, Ireland and Netherlands. Dem say part of the money dey carry waka enter Naija. Na wow, Nigeria abeg make we comot hand for this fraud matter, e no good. Face mask, dem say we fit use cloth mask, so no fall, no good. 72 families for New Delhi for India go by force by fire quarantine because the person wey supply them pizza get corona, so dem must test and quarantine them. Now Anlele make we carry waka enter Naija. The British High Commissioner for Naija, Catriona Lane, don talk say dem no arrange with British Airways to carry any British person wey dey Naija come fly and comot go back their country for Britain, but na dem go pay the money for flight wey be about £500. The Minister of Finance, Budget and National Planning, Mrs. Zainab Ahmed, don talk say International Monetary Funds (IMF) no give Naija debt relief as dem give plenty African countries and other countries across the world because we no dey owe dem kobo. Naija no owe IMF any money. The United Nations don deliver plenty medical equipment and other medical things to Naija government to fight Koro. Na so UN resident coordinator for Naija for Koro matter, Edward Kalon, talk am. The material na 10,000 test kits, 15 oxygen concentrators, various plenty personal protective equipment, vaccine, kits and other better health material to help us fight Koro. Fire in my country. We need plenty water. Make we quench the fire. Fire don catch the headquarters of the Office of the Accountant General of the Federation. Fire don burn the headquarters of Corporate Affairs Commission. Sotey fire come burn Dugbe Market for Ibadan.
Kai, fire don catch INEC office for Abuja too. Yepa, haba.
We no want fire. Koro fire wey dey burn us, we never fit fight am. Fire, abeg, leave us alone. Menegian, as dem call am, the son of the late environmental activist and poetry man Ensarowiwa, kpai for coronavirus for Britain. May he so rest in peace. Ami. Koro, abeg, carry waka go where you come from. Catch am, thief, catch am, robber, ole ajibole, ole. Ogun State Police Command arrange 142 suspects for the magistrate court for Isabo, Abeokuta for murder, robbery and for say dem dey disturb people for the state. Patapata, robbery no good, stay your house. You disturb us, we disturb you. Police ready, vigilante ready, landlord ready, youth people ready. Person wey wan thief na him wan thief, hungry man no dey thief, e dey beg. My people, make we join hand together, make we fight this corona true, make we fight am and win am patapata. We go dey sambalidate una with the tear rubber news as dey land with the mouth. This na Pidgin News Network, where news dey start from. Hail una, back am.